Claude Cowork charges $20 a month. OpenWork does the same thing for free, and a few things it does better. I installed it, ran it on real work for a week. Here's what I got. By the end of this video, you will have a working, free replacement for Claude Cowork, connected to a free model with zero subscription to Anthropic. I run AI agents in production across 3 pipelines and delegate real work to them daily. I know the difference between a demo and a tool you can actually ship with. OpenWork is the second category. Here are the 5 things it does that made me cancel my Cowork plan. OpenWork ships with a provider called OpenCodeZen. Open the model selector, and there are 5 free models sitting in the list before you sign in to anything. DeepSeek and Qwen are the 2 I would actually reach for. The other 3 are on screen if you want them. No credit card, no subscription. Pick one and run. I gave DeepSeek v4 Flash a refactor task on a real repo. Generated the diff, applied it, tests passed first run. Same task in Claude Cowork costs $20 a month for access to Sonnet and Opus. That is the whole comparison. The exact same workflow, on the same machine, in 2 windows side by side. One charges, the other does not. If the OpenCodeZen models are not enough, OpenWork supports Bring Your Own Key. The fastest free key on the market right now is Gemini. Go to Google AI Studio, click Get API Key. No card required. You get a working key in under 30 seconds. Paste it into one field in OpenWork settings. Save. The model selector now lists 38 Gemini models, including Gemini Flash, which is the one I default to for most tasks. 30 seconds from new install to running on Google's model, for free, through an interface that did not ask me for a payment method once. A caveat. The Gemini free tier has rate limits. I'm not going to quote a number, because the published limits and the real limits are not always the same thing. For solo dev work, I have not hit a ceiling that mattered. This block is the one that made me close my Cowork tab and not reopen it. MCP, Model Context Protocol, is how agents talk to your tools. Notion, Linear, Sentry, Stripe, Context 7. In Claude Cowork, adding any of these means opening a JSON config file by hand, finding the right format, pasting the server command, restarting the client, hoping it loads. In OpenWork, it is a tile in the Extensions tab with a Connect button. Tap to connect. OAuth handles the auth. The tool shows up in the agent's tool list. You think you have to edit JSON to add an MCP server. You do not. It is one button. That is the whole story for this block. The same 5 tools in Claude Cowork. I had timed it once. Took me about 20 minutes the first time, including reading the docs. In OpenWork, all 5 connected in under 3 minutes. OpenWork is workspace-scoped. You grant it a folder once, and the agent works inside it without nagging you on every file. The moment it reaches outside that folder, you get a dialog with the exact path it wants, and 3 choices. Deny, allow once, allow for this session. I told it to write outside the workspace. It asked first, showed me the full path, and when I hit deny, the file was never created. Not a UI confirmation that did the thing anyway. The write physically did not happen. And the steps are visible in line as it works. Create, write, delete show up in the chat as the agent runs them. You are not reading a log after the fact. You watch the plan execute, and you can stop it mid-run. This is the block I did not expect. OpenWork ships a tool the agent can use to click its own interface. I typed Open Settings, then go to Appearance. The agent sent a tool call. The Settings panel opened. The Appearance tab activated. I did not touch the mouse. The agent navigating its own client is the closest thing I have seen to the demo every assistant vendor has been promising for 2 years. actually working in a tool I can install today. Before the wrap, the part the install page does not tell you. On a fresh Windows machine with no Node.js, UI control crashes on first use with a cryptic bun runtime error. The installer never asks for Node, never warns you, never lists it as a requirement. Fix is 3 steps. Install Node.js from the official site. Then close OpenWork through Task Manager, not the Windows Close button, and this is the part I lost an hour to. There is no tray icon. The normal close leaves the agent process alive in the background, and the next launch reuses the broken state. Kill the process from Task Manager. Relaunch. UI control works. That is the fix you will not find on the OpenWork Labs site or in any of the existing tutorials. You are getting it here because I spent the hour. One thing to do after this: download OpenWork. Connect DeepSeek free in 2 clicks. Give it the real task you would have given Claude this afternoon. Then drop your before and after in a comment. What you paid for versus what you got for nothing. OpenWork is one example of a larger pattern. Open source dev tooling is catching the paid tier on workflow, not just on price. Even if OpenWork is not the one that wins, the gap closes from this side. The $20 side is the one that should be nervous. Next, the one task where I still reach for paid Claude, and the specific reason OpenWork has not replaced it yet.